Hello, good morning everybody. You can see my screen. It's 15th of November. So we'll start off with the chart on our screen. This GB, sorry. We'll start off with gold, the one we looked at yesterday last before we finished yesterday. We had a level and we did mention this. This was a very good support where price basically closed successfully below. So we wanted a retracement back to the same point before we pick a sell. So far, the price is still retracing upwards. We are yet to reach this level here. This still remains to be the correct place to sell from. So price pulls back up and hits this level perfectly. That will give us the correct place to look for a sell from. So we are basically just sitting down, price to get back to that level so that we can pick a sell properly. Expect that sell to take price even higher, lower. So the maximum, the maximum it should go up to this one, but if it goes and closes above 1480.01, then we will expect price to move even higher up to the upper trend line. So something like this, and the fact that the price may move upwards does not mean we're now turning into buyers. Now this is just a retracement. The move which you're seeing to the upper side could just be a potential retracement. It should not go above this level where we pick a sell, expect that sell to levels which we are determine in the future. So this is a sell. This is what I'm looking at now, expecting either a move up to this point. If it goes above, then the next place is here to look for a sell from. We're going to move forward to our next symbol, SP500. So SP500 so far has been bullish. We expected price to proceed upwards, and if you can remember yesterday we had this. Sorry, this doesn't look very clear on the first, but if on the 1 hour, if you scale down to first, you're able to see exactly what I'm saying. This is what I'm referring to. We are looking at the potential scenario where this symbol could move massively to the upside. So as long as we have price remaining in between this range, this one, this one, this one, this one, and the others, expect price to proceed to the upside. So the best is when the price retraces back to either of any of these levels, then we should be able to pick a buy. When it comes to this level, we'll pick a buy. If it comes back this level, pick a buy, and if it continues up and heads straight to the upper trend line, pick a sell. But this is what may happen. The price may proceed downwards but should not go below this level. To pick a sell, a buy, expect that buy to take price up to this point. So we'll add next symbol. That should be Brent oil. Brent oil so far is bullish, and we took a buy some few days ago. We're still holding on to the same buy. We took a buy while the price was around this point. We are still holding on to that buy. Basically expect price to proceed upwards. We expect it to go up to trend line at the very top. So if price proceeds up but does not break above the trend line which I'm talking about, we'll expect a sell. So if price continues up, that is if price proceeds up to this trend line but does not break above as I've forecasted, then we'll wait for a bounce from a signal for a sell. And we'll pick a sell up to this point, and in case price goes below this line, then we'll pick a sell up to the next line, 45.70. Retracement, mean a break below. Retracement, pick a sell, we continue short up to 28.00. So this chart looks very much clear on the time frame which I've looked at it. That's on the weekly. I don't find it really good scale down to a lesser time frame, because as it is now, this is still a very good buy, holding on to a buy which I had previously. I'm expecting price to proceed higher up to this level, and if it goes above, then this should be the next place. So should be the next place. We move forward to the next symbol, which is gold. Yesterday we had very good break above a resistance. There was this price went above a level, there was a retracement, continued up, then a break above. You can see that we are consolidating in some shape. So this chart is very clear on the time frame which I've looked at it from. This one is really clear, and if price comes back to this level 1.2740, 1.2708, this will give us the correct place to actually look for a buy from. So as it is now, I'm not focusing on what is happening now. Either the price should come to this level so that I pick a sell, it should retrace down up to this point so that I can pick a buy up to the next level. Last one. That makes sense. So we'll move forward to next symbol. That should be this offer from the indicator which we looked at yesterday, the ADX indicator. This one, we are actively to the lower side. Check for us, still downwards. This point here, we are downwards. So if you are looking at this chart and you want to trade correctly, wait for levels to be broken. Wait for this support has been broken already. Price came back to it continued down. Wait for the next one, this one, be broken so that the price retraces back to it, and you pick a sell. You expect that sell to push price even lower. So as it is now, we don't recommend looking for any sell, any trade, unless the price is here. The price comes up to this level. This will give us the correct place to actually sell from. So Euro USD is a sell from 1.1015. That's the place where we're waiting for a sell from. If price can pull back up 1.1015, then that will give us the correct place to sell from. This now, we're not doing anything. Yes, we ought solid form actually book a sell from that point, but price has not hit take profit. Look at this at that level. You can remember we actually mentioned this as a top, proceeded down, it came back as a double top. So when we took a sell here, we expected price to go like double these pips, something like this. So far the price is yet to hit our take profit, which is fixed around this level. So you can still sell it, there, but have your take profit at 1.0967. You can still sell it, but we'll have our take profit around the level which I've mentioned, 1.0898. So we'll move forward. USDJPY. This one, USDJPY has pulled back to where we are waiting for it from. This is the level with this as support. So look for a buy as you're speaking just now. Supposed to buy it. Pick a buy. I've placed a buy already. Have your stop loss below this candle here, and then have a take profit here. First one, and the next one is if price breaks above this level, the take profit is going to be around 114.17. So buy USDJPY as we're speaking now. It's a very good buy. Hold on up to the level which I've mentioned. So this is a very clear chart. I don't want to recommend any other thing. That's a very good buy in my opinion. So you should be able to pick a buy as we are speaking. Pick a buy, hold on to that buy, expect that buy to take price up to the level which I've mentioned. These levels here, this and also this one. So thank you very much. That should be the end of today's market overview. If you have any questions, kindly feel free to post them under the chat option. I'll be looking at them individually. Any specific question relating to what I've said, kindly post them under the chat option. Or if you find that this is offline or after I've recorded, you can still leave a comment, send me a direct message. Thank you. See you. Bye.